Login failed on CoinMarketCap Fix. You try logging into CoinMarketCap to track your favorite crypto coins, but instead, you see login failed. Don't worry, this issue is more common than you think, and it's usually something small that can be fixed in minutes. The first thing to check is your email and password. Even a minor typo can stop you from logging in. Try typing your information manually other than using autofill. If you've recently reset your password, ensure you're using the updated one and not an old saved version. Next, verify your internet connection. CoinMarketCap servers need a stable connection to authenticate your login. If you're on a weak signal or using a VPN, disable it temporarily and try again. Some IPs are flagged for unusual activity, which can block access automatically. If you're logging in from a browser, clearing your cache and cookies can make a big difference. Old session data often interferes with new logins, especially after updates to the site. Once cleared, reload the page and sign in again. Mobile users, make sure your CoinMarketCap app is up to date. Outdated versions sometimes fail to connect properly to their authentication system. Go to your app store, install the latest update, and restart your device before trying once more. It's also important to check whether CoinMarketCap is undergoing maintenance or a temporary outage. When their servers are down, login attempts fail for everyone, regardless of credentials. These issues are usually fixed quickly, so waiting a short while before retrying can help. If you're using Google or Apple single sign-on, make sure those accounts are active and synced. Sometimes login failure happens because the linked account session expired. Logging out and back into your Google or Apple, it can instantly fix the problem. The surprising truth is that most login failures on CoinMarketCap come down to browser cache, expired tokens, or small sync issues, not account problems. By checking your credentials, clearing old data, updating your app, and ensuring a stable connection, you almost always resolve it fast. Once you're back in, consider turning on two-factor authentication for extra account safety.